I'm ready for the second design. Next one is going to be a Christmas design. I know it's too late already, but I still want to make one. I think that's pretty straight, so we're going to pull the color off, and I want it seems to be off. We are going to preheat. I made some face masks with this design last year, and people really love them. I sold a lot of them, so I decided to make a shirt with it. And that is perfect. Right there is perfect. We are going to preheat for 2 seconds. For the next step, we are going to add this part. And it registered perfect. So sometimes it doesn't register, so you had to actually cut. We are going to add our nose. I can add this as well. Right, that looks good. It's looking beautiful. So now right here, I'm going to add the Mary right here. I'm gonna add these bows right here, and they're just right there. And I have some snowflakes that I want to add, and they're gonna be random snowflakes everywhere, just because I missed them. Okay, so we are ready. We are going to hit apply for 2 seconds. There you go. And now we are going to hit apply for the entire 12 seconds. And we have our second design ready. I love it. Beautiful.